Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn English textbook, Grade 3rd, Unit 5, Chapter 1, The Balloon Man, Hard Words. Write down date on the page. First, balloon, BALLOON, balloon. Market, MARKET, market. Bunch, BUNCH, bunch. Square, SQUARE, square. Purple, PURPLE, purple. STRING, string. PERHAPS, perhaps. Pretty, PREETY, pretty. SKY, sky. BELOW, below. So these hard words you will write down in your notebook with the good handwriting. Thank you. Good morning, students. Do you like balloon? Yes, I like balloon. Have you seen the balloon man? Yes, I have seen balloon man. Now let's see what poet said about the balloon man. He always comes on a market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of a lunch. Balloon man, when balloon man came in the market days, and how he holds the balloon? He holds balloon in a hand, and how it's look? Lovely. Bunch कैसा होता है? Lovely. In the market square he stays. Where he is staying? In a market square. In between the market he is staying. He never seems to think of a lunch. He never thinking about his hunger, his food. There are red and purple, blue and green, and when it's a sunny day, the cars and the people get between. You see them shining far away. Now we can see different color in a balloon. So it is the red, purple, blue, green color you have seen. So when it's sunny day, that balloons are reflecting and there are seeing people in between. They are shining. So in the afternoon time, sun shining time, there are few people you will find in the market. So that balloons are shining and reflecting on the land. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Now what happened? There are in size also are different. Some are big, some are small. Now how he is holding balloon? Tight together with the string. वो पूरे string को पकड़ के रखता है इस तरह से tightly. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. What he is doing when his wind blow? That time he is holding balloon tightly in his hand. You can see here in this picture how he is holding balloon. So he is tightly holding balloon. Someday perhaps he will let them go and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would like pretty in the sky. What poet said that? If some days, if we will sailing high, balloon in the sky, we will like to see it. Yes, have you seen balloon sailing high in the sky? We like to see that balloon in the sky. So it's look pretty. Now, new words. Bunch, square, sunny, tongue. Thank you. Once again, good morning, students. Today we are going to do Unit 5, Chapter 1, English textbook, The Balloon Man. Today we are going to do exercise of this chapter. First, reading is fun. Question answer. Where does the balloon man stand? The balloon man stands at the market square. You will find answer from your poem also. So where balloon man stand? Balloon man stand at a market square. What happens to the balloon man when there is a wind? What happens with him? When there is a wind, the balloon man tug a lot. Means he hold his balloon tightly. Tug means he hold his balloon tightly. What does the child like to see the balloon man? The child likes to see the balloon man sitting at all the balloon free in the sky. He wants to see them sailing high in the sky. Now what boys want to see that? If one day can balloon man fly in the sky? What child wants to see? That one day that balloon man can free all the balloons. Talk time. How high can balloon fly? Balloons can fly quite high up in the sky depending upon the gas in them. How balloon can fly? Balloon can fly high depending on gas. Balloon के अंदर क्या होता है? Gas होता है. So they will high in the sky depending upon the gas. What do you like about this poem? The child is wishing to see all the balloons sailing in the sky. I like this very much. What he wants to like that balloons sailing in the sky. He likes that. I hope you are clear with this question answer. Thank you.